Welcome, my name is Joel, and this is my channel. My channel is designed with tutorials mostly about Apple products, whether it be iPhones, iPads, Apple computers, iMacs, MacBook Pros, whatever it may be. I do a lot of video and photography as well, so you're going to see a lot of that in my videos. But if you're looking just starting off, brand new to anything Apple, or you're kind of advanced or expert level, maybe you'll find something intriguing or you'll learn something new. If not, thank you for at least watching. If you like what you see, definitely hit subscribe below. Send these videos to grandma, let her watch them so she can learn all about her iPad that you just bought for her for Christmas or whatever holiday it was. But again, thank you for watching, and if there's a question that you want to get answered or you want to see how to do something, definitely reach out. Follow me on Instagram, find me on Facebook, and again, thank you for watching.